All righty, boys. How you doing? Ugh. Nom, nom. Oh, there they are. All right. How you doing, boys? Oh, wait, wouldn't be a regular stream if fucking music weren't broken. So let's just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Where the fuck is music? God damn it, son of a bitch. Reconnect. Did that work? That did not work. Reconnect again. Did that work? Ah, there we go. Lovely. Beautiful. Yeah, chat bubbles. I did it. You're welcome. Yeah, Twixter wanted chat bubbles, and I can't deny Twixter. So you got your Squircle. Where you going? You just don't walk off. Don't walk off. Stay there. So you got your chat bubbles. I hope you enjoy them. Yeah, and I made it, to your specification. I hope. No, Squircle. Stay. But yeah, not bad, eh? Not bad. I forgot to add a noise that you make when you actually speak. So my bad. Only remembering that now. Okay, Squircle really just wants to go off. Okay, Blip, you're in charge of Squircle. Make sure he doesn't walk off. All right. So yeah. Anyway, welcome, boys. How you all doing? Lovely day today. I thought I'd put on some classical music. Just to set the mood. A nice peaceful start. Doubt this will last. It never does. Don't have too much planned for today, but I have more of an event planned, which is kind of an old mini game, but a bit less formal now. Child, indeed, indeed. There's no tutorial, Blip. What are you on about tutorials? There's patch notes. But we don't do that here. We do not do tutorials anymore. Nowadays it's more self-explanatory, shall we say? But anyway, I also can't read your messages, your chat bubbles. So I turn them off for me just to help my performance, frame rate, etc. But it's quite cool now. I can see who's talking, and that means I can retaliate when they say something mean about me. I should break his legs so he can't move. Only in my chat, I guess. All right. What happened to my cosmetics? Where are you? You're not. I don't even. You're not even here. Oh, you're on the floor. Ah! I can't reach you. I'm sorry. You're gone. You're too far gone. Oh, it's Isaac. Let's go. 9 months indeed. How? That's a baby, right? Um. Cheers. Well, thank you, Isaac, for 9 months. Holy shit. It's actually been 9 months. Fuck. It's like Isaac joined only yesterday. Time flies, and it's scarily fast. But thank you for your tier one for 9 months. God damn. That's a new sub badge as well, I think. Right? Maybe. I need to update my sub badges. Still want to keep the number thing, but they need to be a bit more interesting looking. Break his legs. I don't know. Ask Blip. Maybe he's in the mafia or something. I don't know. I don't know. Code fit. All right. Just give me a minute, boys. All right, give me a minute. Let me get through the patch notes first before we get into all that shenanigans. You might notice all the blocks are gone. So also Panda Lee. Oh no, Dharma. Oh God. What was that abomination? It's dumped panda. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. That's such a gross name. Dumped panda. All right. Well, cool. But yeah, what was I saying? Patch notes. Right. Yeah, the blocks are gone. Right. Okay. So first of all, byte messages, self-explanatory. Um. Another thing, the plane. Every 15 minutes or so, you're gonna see something. Um. Me and Panda were talking about this in the development chat, but yeah, just because now that I've made my project pretty much public that anyone can use it, I've added a nice little watermark that shows up every 15 minutes, just so people don't start claiming my work as their own. Not that anyone will, but given enough time and enough exposure, somebody's bound to. So yeah, that's just in preparation for that. But yeah, you should see it at some point. Also, seems like music is working because I didn't. This is not part of my classical playlist, so I assume this is somebody's submission, right? Let's check. Let's check. Right, Dharma's saying, okay, cool. So it is working. Nice. Like to see it. All right. So, yeah, what's next? The map syncing. So yeah, the block's missing. All your progress has been erased. Mainly because I've kind of reworked the map system. There was a bit of a bug or an issue with Mirror. There's only so much data it can send, right? And as like even with the amount of blocks we had, which wasn't actually that many, but like it was enough data that it was like, okay, this is too much data to send. I'm not gonna send it. And like so when people joined, they wouldn't see it. This to prevent like people DDoSing and stuff like that. So I developed a new whole system, but then I had to kind of rewrite everything. It is a new build indeed. Exclamation mark game if you want to come play. But yeah, I've reworked it now. I won't. Well, TLDR, there's a whole like lookup thing now, so it stores a lot of the data on your side. Like colors and URLs for textures, they're all stored on your end now. Or like I'll sync them, but then that saves on your end, so you don't have to keep reloading and syncing. And then it identifies them by like an index now. For those that give a shit, which I assume is not many of you. But can now a player see the spawn in bytes? Yes or no? No, not yet. It's just because every one of these little fucks has a position, a rotation, and a scale that gets synced anytime it moves. That's a lot of uploading data, and I'm already streaming, so that I'm taking up a lot of bandwidth already with streaming. So I'm trying not to like. And theoretically, there could be thousands of these fuckers, So I either put a cap on the amount of bytes that are possible, but I don't really want to do that, or I just don't sync it. So, and also it has to then sync all the cosmetics as well, which it's a lot of data, and I feel like the stream would just lag out if I did it. So, yeah, I don't know. You want to see your child? I assume that's this little guy here. Who it's Twigs 101. Beautiful. But anyway, is it Discord images or it's just URL links, so whatever URL you want. I don't know if Discord, they said they were going to do that thing, right, where they're like they don't keep images forever. So probably not a good idea to use Discord images because they might eventually expire and then everything will just like untextured. Next to me, is that not you? It has a one. Oh no, it's Isaac. Oh yeah, I am blind. There you go. I can't read. What does that say? Oh, Mango asked. Yeah, right. Okay. Anyway, give me a sig. The sig's right there. You can wander over to it. I don't know. You got legs. I gave you legs and the ability to wander. Fine. I'll just drop it. Wait, who wanted it? It's Mango. Where's Mango? There you go. Close enough. Anyway, yeah, block system's been reworked, so we're gonna have to get building again, boys. But it should be better now, hopefully. This is also not part of my classical play. So put this on. Ratings. Okay, so this is actually okay. Now we can open up the floodgates, get people in. So this is to do with the mini game I was talking about. So where's OBS? Oh, it's on a different screen. Okay, there we go. This is so hard to do in VR. All right, there, and then that. Yeah. Okay, cool. God, that was fucking quick. They're already. Oh, no idea what they're doing. So they caught. Okay. So there's okay. I've been doing quite a bit of work. Admittedly, I've only been working about like 1 out of the past 3 days, but I've done a fair bit of work. So now there's like a whole map thing. So to avoid me, or to avoid somebody constantly leaving, rejoining, and that would just send so much data because I have to sync the map every time. I had to press a button now, so don't be leaving like that. Yeah, don't leave like that because I'm not gonna. If you're just joining a whatevering, I swear to God, if you crash my internet, but I have to press this, 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 and this to manually let them in. They should load the map, and then when they're done, they should be able to move like that. There you go. So it takes there's a little loading process now, but it's just to avoid DDoSing. And he's off. But yeah, you shouldn't be crashing anymore. There should be no more blue screening. Sorry for those that I did blue screen last stream. Figured out the problem. I kind of forgot I added this, but I added a collider that like takes the mesh of my like entire body, turns it into a collider, so that way you like have a smooth. There's no gaps or anything. Because before I just sort of had like a capsule here, but there were like gaps in the joint. So I wanted a nice smooth mesh. Only issue is, it created that sort of mesh every single frame and then stored it and never deleted it. So it was just infinitely storing every like, what is it? I guess my frame rate, whatever your frame rate is, that many times per second it was storing a thing. Which is yeah, kind of crazy. But yeah. Oh, there's Tanta and Blip. Oh god, everyone joining today. And also got a new system for verifying things. So and also it should also now save if you're a builder or not. So even if you leave and join back, it should hopefully remember that you can you have the power to build. So let's see. Oh, Panda's in. There we go. Who's unknown? Oh, that might be me. Oh, that's my character. Okay. All right. So if I just why did 3 people just leave? What happened there? It auto kicks you. Do not request textures. Oh god, what's happened? That usually when it auto kicks you, that means bug or like error. No blip, bad blip. It means error. Back. So that's not good. Why does this always? Okay, I guess textures are still fucked. I don't know why. But you should, upon joining back, still have builder privileges, right? Yeah, there's no more exclamation mark play anymore. That's a thing of the past. Thing of the past. Oh, there it is. There it goes. There's my watermark. So that'll go once every 15 minutes. Failed to load image, error 200. Well then, get a better image, I guess. I don't. That shouldn't kick you though. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Well, either way. Hey, back a bit. Okay, so anyone actually want to demonstrate? See if building works. Why am I naked in the game? Because you have to put clothes on. Press C. Okay, Blip. Just get out of my crotch. God damn it. There you go. Yeah, press. Okay. You know what? You can just stay in my crotch. Whatever. I'm over it. There you go. All right. Now, so who's? Oh, it's leaf building. So is that's syncing, right? You guys can all see this, right? See, it ain't working. Then you have to rebind it. It means the key binding doesn't exist. Yeah, there's a weird bug. I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't use the default. I still need to fix that. Which reminds me. No, that's not the right button. Feedback. What was it? I had two. Shit. Okay. Well, first of all, texture block bug. I guess that's just with the wrong textures. Feedback. Byte. Talk sounds. And also, what was the third thing? Fuck. I've already forgotten. Damn it. I hate it when I remember feedback and then forget it immediately. Is that hello, Lava? How you doing? Oh, there he goes. So at least that's working. Oh, also, actually, wait. I should be able to delete it now. Okay, watch this. Wait, is this gonna work? Bop, 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 bop. I can delete your blocks now. I have gained back my power, so don't even try and fucking shenanigans. Oh, Twig's there. Hello, Twig. Whoop, bop. Eh. Oh, shit. Wait, is it not syncing build privilege? It should sync build privileges. Do I download all? You download the folder, yeah. So at the top, just like click on the folder, drop down in that. No, leaf. This fucking guy. Anyway, before you guys start getting okay, get rid of the staircase. All right. Yeah, get rid of this staircase. No, leaf. If you come any closer, I swear to God. Not backface color the blocks for optimization. Did I not? I swear though the front face only. I don't remember. Okay, yeah. Okay, somebody just leave. I swear. Okay. All right. Why did Dharma leave? God damn it. Did that save though? Oh yeah, the Dharma's got building privileges. Okay, so it does save between things. Cool. I crashed. Okay, that's not me this time. Oh yeah, double check by the way that your RAM isn't infinitely increasing. It shouldn't be. But you want orange? There you go. You can have orange. Yeah, can you get rid of this? Thank you. This. Oh my god, what the fuck? I didn't even see it because it was so close to my face. Okay, that's it. Leaf, you've lost building privileges. That's it, Leaf. No more. No more. My RAM's fine. Okay, good. One problem solved at least. Also, I really wanted to get in-game voice chat working, but I didn't have time. There's a weird bug with Mirror using like network. So like you guys could hear me in real time. I tried to get it working before stream, didn't work though, because there's something with Oculus that like you need the permission, and I don't know how to get the permission, and I've tried and it doesn't. Yeah. So doesn't cull connecting faces. Oh yeah, well, what do you think this is? Fucking Minecraft? Minecraft? No, they're all individual blocks. There you go, lava. Enjoy your stay. Just realized. Anyway, yeah, I need you guys to actually build something. I need you guys to all work together. So everybody come here. Whoever's a network player, just come right here in the middle. Line up. Oh wait, you're real. I can't tell who's real and who's fake. In the middle, right here. Right here. Everybody that's alive. All right, that's 3. Get that fucker over here. Okay, Dharma, if you had to leave and join again, I'm just gonna have to decline it because this is a lot of buttons pressing. Connect the stream audio like in season 2 shit game. Yeah, that's the thing. I used voice chat back then and it was fine with Photon, but Mirror, not so easy. All right, we got 5. Is that 5? I thought there were more people than 5. There's like, where's the rest of? Where's Tanta? Don't tell me he's gone behind me again. Where the fuck did he go? Oh, I found him. Well, I found one of them. All right, Leaf. Leaf's build. Okay. First of all, I guess build the staircase. That's your first assignment. Go help Leaf build the staircase. Stairway to heaven, I guess. I crashed, brother. Yeah. So that's the thing. If you keep crashing, I'm just gonna have to decline after a while because I can't keep syncing. That just sounds like a computer diff, which I can't fix that. Some computers aren't gonna be able to handle this. Go. That way. Go. Off you go. No. Go. All right. How's that stair coming along? I mean, I guess I'm just spectating. How do I build? Press Q. Oh god. Press Q. All right. There you go. There's your color. Press Q and it'll open up. Well, it might not be Q. You might have to rebind it in the key bindings menu. Why did wait? You left Panda? Why do you leave? Don't tell me you crashed as well. I forgot request kick. Yeah, I don't know why that is. kind of weird. It usually means it's an error. Oh, there's Opal. All right. Let's turn back. Oh, and I turned off least building privileges. All right, Leaf, you get your building privileges back. So the map doesn't seem to be loaded for you guys. It's not loading the map for them now. God damn it. And I don't even know why. Well, we're just gonna have to survive without them. Yeah. See, that's the issue with joining and leaving, and yeah, it's syncing is not the easiest because it's a custom system. So yeah, you guys might be fucked. Dharma, Opal, yeah, you might be done for. But I mean, the rest, some of them survived. Yeah, we have to figure out what the problem is. I mean, I can try again, but it doesn't seem like anyone's able to join or like reload after leaving now. You might be lucky, you might not. I don't know. I don't know the reason, but you know, that's just the way of my programming. Okay, there we go. We have stairs. Sorted. Boom. Okay, task 1 complete. Done. All right, next step. I was just building a home. Are you building a home? Oh god. Am I just gonna find like a bunch of builds? Just like it's not in the fire, is it? Okay, why is this song so sad? I guess so depressed. It's fucking Billie Eilish, isn't it? All right, next step. Everyone, fall in line. Fall in line. Attention, soldiers. Attention. All right. I don't know where to build this, so I'm gonna leave this up to you guys. But where is everyone? Leaf, get over here. Come here. Come on. This way. All right. Where's the rest of them? Yeah, it doesn't seem like you guys are able to load. So rip, I guess. Not much I can do about that. So what I need you guys to do is I need you to build a fashion show stage. Okay? You guys remember the fashion show? We're gonna bring that back. All right. We're gonna bring back the fashion show. So I need sort of a T-shaped thing, right? So you come on and then you go out and then you're there and present. Okay, not here. No, not here. Not here. Somewhere over there. Somewhere not this area is like clear. Keep this clear. You guys get to choose. You have literally all this space to build. All of this, but keep the desk clear, generally clear. Or you can just build right there. Whatever. I kind of want to create like sort of some more permanent structures. There you go. You can have that. Yeah, I don't know why textures aren't working. Why does this always break? Oh, Tanta's joining. Yeah, Tanta. I don't know if this is gonna work. Once you leave, you seem to be fucked after a certain point. I don't even know why. It's the lookup seems to be syncing, but not the map. And I don't know why the map isn't syncing. But what's the height of the table? Yes. What? Why I can't join? I don't know. Why can't you join? What happens? Oh, there's Zeitsand. Let's see if he can load. I don't think anyone's gonna be able to load. Yeah, it seems just fucked from now on. I don't know why now on. Don't know what changed. Okay, yeah, I think all you guys are kind of screwed, so I'm just gonna have to get you out of there. Sorry about that. Sorry, there seems to be a bug amongst other things, but I mean there always. But at least some of you managed to get him, and that's all that matters. You just have to come back on Wednesday, and hopefully it's fixed by then. But yeah, shit. I don't even know what the bug could be. Okay, damn it. You gotta stop trying to join, bud. It's not gonna happen. I know. You're looking forward to it. You stayed up all this time. But you know, my coding is just it's too unpredictable. It's too unreliable. which yeah, I don't even know what the problem could be, and I'm not sure if I even have a way to debug it. But yeah, sorry about that, boys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Like, theoretically, I can't think of any issues. Yeah, we'll have to do some testing. Do I just put the code in? Don't put the code in. It seems anyone joining now just can't join. Well, they can't load the map for some reason. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to decline. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry, but also, where are they building this? Wait, where's? Oh, there it is. Very nice. Yeah, look, this looks like a fashion show. Boom, sorted. I've made a home. That you have. Good job, buddy. Is someone gonna go help Leaf Pool? I think they're just making a home by or the stage all by themselves. I guess he's just gonna stay in his home. Okay, yeah, I need a way to find people. I have no idea where everyone is. Where did you? Oh, he even has a little bed. Where is everyone? Don't tell me they're down here. No. So what are these blocks? Oh right, that's just okay. There's Blip. Go, fucking that way, that way. Oh, there goes Leaf. Yeah, Leaf. Oh dear, Leaf. Yeah, rip Leaf. Leaf, you might not be able to. I warned you. It just might not happen. You can make a button that targets a player and zooms in to someone. Yeah. Yeah, not a bad idea. I'd need to I press the request button by accident. It should be fine as long as it's not a texture. Colors should work fine. Oh wait, did you submit black? Because I did get that. Right? Did you make it so no one else can join? I mean, you can still join, but it's not going to load the map. Like Leaf is fucked now. We're down to 3 builders left. I did colors and it died. Well, okay, there's a few bugs. All right, moral of the story: there's a few bugs. All right. God damn it. Anyway, hey, Newton, how you doing? How you doing? I know why it's taking forever. Do you? Tell me. I requested grey and got fucked. Fuck, what is a bug? Yeah, we're gonna have to test this after stream. Oh, there goes the plane again. How do you break blocks? It's not the blocks per se. It's the bit that connects the blocks together. Multiplayer, man. I tell you, it's a wild ride. And I'm still figuring it out. I'm watching it slowly load the blocks in F12. Wait, is it still loading? Maybe it just takes forever then. Maybe because there's so many blocks. I don't remember how many I set it to send per, like, I think every 0.5 seconds or 1 second. So theoretically, it might just take forever, but, like, maybe it is actually working. It's just taking a while. It will load. All right. Leaves committed. We'll see if this works out for him. In which case, that's not a bug. It's a feature. I just have the rate set to really low. I'm not going to sync you guys yet. Just doing it one at a time because otherwise I'm just scared of crashing my internet. So just bear with me. We'll see. Leaf is testing. We'll see if Leaf survives. Let me in. Well, the code's there. And if it's not doing anything, then you haven't linked your account. You need to check what it says at the bottom, how to link your account to, because you have to link your account to Twitch. If you haven't done that, you can't join. It's just so, people are who they say they are, kind of thing. How do you link it? Well, it says it. It says if you pay attention at the bottom, you might have to restart the game. But it says at the bottom how to do it. It's kind of well, CBA to explain. It's easier to just read. At least RAM isn't scary. Is it still loading, Leaf? Maybe I should make like a percentage thing, like what your progress is loading. A progress bar might actually help. Thinking about it. Yeah, that would definitely help. Let me add that to feedback. Feedback. Map loading. Yeah, I wouldn't do it in this chat unless you want people to log into your account. Not that accounts really do much at the moment, but they will in the future. Map loading progress bar. There you go. If it's the bug, you could just clear the scene. Yeah, I could, but then look, at least I've been hard at work on this. So you do it by. It says it in the at the bottom of the thing. It says exactly what you have to do. It gives you the exact command. Is that pink blip? So blip can request a color. There you go. Did he do it? I think he did it. Is he in there? I can't really tell. I requested and I got kicked. Okay, so don't request any new colors, I guess. Leaf, you still loading? Okay, you know what? I'll make it so you can all load. If my internet crashes, then so be it. But like, it's probably gonna. If it's already taken like a couple minutes and Leaf is still loading, I see. I think. Tis broken. So did it just stop at some point? There's a lot of blocks. Yeah, there are. Wait, there shouldn't be that many. How many blocks are there? Like 100? Oh, actually no. A few hundred? If I put my password in, would you know my password? Yeah, don't put you. Okay. Public notice: don't put a password you would actually use anywhere else. I am not a secure place to store passwords. Just make it a Findustry specific password. Also, yeah, I can't actually clear all blocks. I'd have to manually delete them. So, and also, it's fine if you forget your password. You can always just use the command again. It's the forgot your password system here is pretty streamlined. All right. Well, I might have to exclamation mark password Leaf is epic. I see. Just using the most unbelievable password. That's pretty good for security then. All right, hey Leafpool, you're one of the few that survived. What is it? Just you and Twig are the only ones that left. Yeah, look. Oh, they can still wait. Oh no, they're just alternating apparently. Still loading. Goddamn. Well, have fun loading, I guess. I could re-upload, but that will kill my stream's upload. Would you stop building from it? I don't think anyone. Is anyone? I don't think anyone's building. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's just Panda. Password being password is perfectly fine. Well, I wouldn't tell people that, but yes, theoretically, password being password fine. Also, hello, Space Frogs. You get room 83. Enjoy your stay. So everyone crashed. Well, I don't think it was crashing. I think it was more being kicked because of an error. Yeah, it's gonna load map forever, or at least for a while. Wait, what did I set the rate to be? I think it was like 10 blocks every second, which you'd think you'd be done by now. It's loading a lot slower now. Well, it's now sending to everyone, not just you. I was gonna wait, but yeah, I felt bad. All right, let's just kick everyone. If I kick everyone, that should hopefully. Okay, everyone stop joining. Everyone stop joining. Bop, 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 bop. Get him out. Get him out. All right. Is it faster now, Leaf? It's barely 10 blocks. No, but it does 10 blocks. It should do 10 blocks every, like, send. Yeah, is it any faster now? Oh. Is it any faster now? Yeah, what was that, Leaf? Okay, as in, okay, it's good now? Maybe I just rebuild this thing. Honestly, we could get onto the second part of this. After we were going to do, Not really. Okay. Fine. Do we do a miniature development stream, or should we just bun it and I don't even know how we would fix this. Hey, is anyone placing bots? Well, I don't know where Twigster is. So theoretically, maybe. Because that's not the real Twigster. That's fake Twigster. But a miniature dev stream, and then potentially breaking. Oh, I think I found him. Yeah, he. I think he. Yeah, he very well might be. Building still. Now it's waiting for host. Yeah, waiting for host is basically me debating whether I let you in or not. Which I've got you guys on red. Yeah, it seems Twig's building over there, so that might be why. Yeah, taking a while to load in. Yeah, we could do some testing. I has a theory. A theory. If you're thinking that them placing is affecting it, it shouldn't. Yeah, it shouldn't. I've stopped. All right. Well, yeah, that's. I think we figure this problem out. This will be fun. All right. What's your theory? Hit me. I'm ready. It's not sending anything anymore. Oh shit. Well, back to the drawing board. Wait, does it say you've finished? No, it hasn't. Well, maybe you can help me. All right, I'm gonna close this. We're gonna have to go to a temporary. Actually, no, I don't have to close it. I have a thing for this. But you guys might as well leave now. Those that haven't joined. All right, let's go this way. Opa. What does that say? Middle full screen. That'll do. All right, there we go. Right. Oh god. Oh yeah, right. They're all down there now. That's fine. That's fine. All right, we're gonna have to well, temporarily. I get to swap over to. Oh yeah. God damn it. I got it. I got it. Yeah, I don't know why my Yeti decided to stop. But all right. Let's figure this out. Okay, whoever's throwing that, your bum's a hoe. So see. So when it comes to player validation, so this is where it all starts. It shows me the person. Then I press yes, you can join. Initializing is just so I don't twice. And then it reloads the lookup. And it starts, it definitely starts. It requests the block lookup. Come here, does this. Okay, I'm gonna just add some like debugging. Log success. Lookup or block. Lookup. Right. And then it goes on to sync the map, which runs this on your character on the server side. Problem you have a Yeti, bro. Yeti's good, relatively, but for the amount it is. So it tells them to clear the map, right, which just deletes all the blocks. It then waits 2 seconds. But it goes through every block in my scene, adds it, increases the count. If the count is greater than the max per like sending, 25 blocks per second. You think that's like a decent rate, right? Then it sends you the data. Yeah, what did you guys receive? I need to see your F12 so I can figure out where this is going wrong. Welcome back. You can see the actual map, by the way, stuck in the loading. D. So this is just not getting set to true, I guess. Right, because this is what stops the loading thing from visible. Why would that not? Wait, no, I'm stupid. What are we talking about? Based and real. What is send rate? Well, this is 1. Set it to 1. This is hard coded. I know. I ran out of time. All right. Every 1 second, it should send 25 blocks worth of data in the form of a string. That's the thing. Add loads of debug.logs. It doesn't have to be logs. Different types. But then yeah, once you've added however many blocks, then resets. Right? Yeah, it sets back to 0. Sends target RP here. It'll tell you if you're getting it wrong. Warning. Thinking this will be the length of this is how many blocks. But no, you said it stops loading, right? So, okay. First of all, we should make this private int block syncs at like 50. I don't know what the max string is. You can look block. No. Block rate. Make this like 5 seconds. I think it can afford. So we'll just go with that. And another hard. Oh yeah, the lookup. 50 and private int lookup things per person. Let's try that. Oh, and actually something else. There is a timer just to avoid like crazy spam. A sync timer. Problem. Because if it's not saying this. Oh wait, I didn't actually check it on my side. Okay, actually, let's just check something real quick. Who's still here? Okay. Mango's an excellent. Right, Mango. I accept Mango. Synchronization. When does that happen? On finish loading. Oh, that's the lookup. The lookup loading's fine. Where's the map? Map's what I need. I don't think I have any debug shit. Yeah, I don't have any debug data for that. The block sync like seems to be working. Getting the lookup, but no cycle. This starting. Starts. Yes. Right. We also need like a percentage, I guess. How about that? What have I missed? Better. Remove the Q command. I did. It improved how the system works, but like, I improved how Spotify, the music system works, but it came at the cost of not. Which I was like, yeah, it's fine. Worthy trade. Is moving in game. Wait, is Mango alive? Oh my god! Wait. Oh my god, he lives. Wait, don't tell me he's synced. Okay, so it's. Oh wait. Yeah, look, map's loaded. This icon means that they're loaded. So this means the lookup is synced. So it does work. Eventually. What if I do that for everyone? What did that take? Mm-hmm. See if they come through. But wait, what was I doing? Oh yeah, right. Progress. Ba 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 ba. Press. Yeah, so this will now tell you. Wait, it says this message here, right? You said it. You said you saw this, right? Press now to. That's progress. And now I should tell you as well the percentage of the way that you are through stuff. Okay, everyone's moving. Why is it now? Is it because I'm in another scene and the wait? The blocks still exist when we go to a different scene. No, they don't. Not there. Mm-mm. I don't know. I don't know why that's now letting you live. Unintentional. Hey, Ivana. Good. The issue is that people are building and ascending data whilst trying to load them. No, that shouldn't make a difference. It'll just load it. Like there is no cause for concern there. It doesn't interrupt or anything. Like all that needs to happen is this thing needs to just get from start to finish, and this is on my end as well. This is on the server side, so it shouldn't interrupt it anyway. Done. Then. Song directed him. Log. App. Alt. Go. Blocks here. You guys shouldn't be able to build in this little area. It's outside of bounds, so shouldn't be. What do we do, boys? Oh, we got a fight on our hands, boys. Boys, we got a fight on our hands. All right, guys, ready? You know the drill. Let me just. There we go. All right, we're ready. All right, it's fight time. Spam chat. Let's do this. I'm ready. Let's see if you guys can actually beat me for once. If it. Yep, there it goes. There he is. Hello, Merlin. You ready for a fight? I'm ready for a fight. Let's do this. Bring it. I'm so good. I'm ready. You guys actually have more health now because the last time. Damn it. Come on. Nah, there's not a chance. Not a chance. No way. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. They're catching up. No. Suck it. Easy. No sweat. GG. Not bad. You're close, boys. You're getting closer. But not quite. All right. Anyway, how you doing, Merlin? How's your stream? Twig abusing mod. Yeah, mods do have the benefit of no cap, no rate limit. What the fuck was that? That was domination. That's what that was. 6 hours of Vectormath for my 2D fighting game. God damn. I can't say I'm jealous of Vectormath, I'll be honest. But wow, 6 hours. Braver man than I am. I think 2, maybe 3 hours. That's as much as I can do. Before I am. Honestly, it's not even the work. It's chat usually. Yeah, just sort of melts the brain after about 2 or 3 hours. Especially these little shits right here. But yeah, welcome, Merlin. Welcome to whatever this is. You get room 84. Enjoy your stay. Leaf, stop building on our guests. Bar Interactive. A fellow name punner. Myself, Findustries. Not Finn does trees. Room 85 and the trout. That trout. I'm gonna call you the. You get room 86. Very nice. Yeah, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Apologize for these little guys right here. Finn does in fact do trees allegedly. 86. Yeah. At one point it kind of broke and everyone had to share a room. So at least you didn't get room 24. You don't want to go into room 24. Let me in. Oh, yeah, right. They've got. So okay, so for those that don't sort of know what we do here, basically Twitch interactive universe. These little guys right here, these are called bytes. They're sort of, everyone has a mascot, right? These ones specifically are controlled by actual viewers. I made a 3D multiplayer game and hooked up to my universe. So the ones that you see running around and jumping, those guys are real. These ones, not so much. These ones are just you guys, which you can do with channel points. You can make them do all sorts of things, like that. Yeah, do it. Give us a little jig, or or a something, or an anything. Do I have to re-download it again? Maybe. There we go. Beautiful. Good work, Newtonium. Understood the assignment well. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do here, and yeah, currently I'm trying to get it so they can build blocks. Having a few problems, hence probably what you saw when you joined. For some reason they load forever, so I don't really know how to fix that. Oh god, you guys have been making such a mess. What is this? It's just been like building towers up. It was you, wasn't it? That's pretty guilty. But anywho, so we need to fix that bug. But I mean, you guys are all in now, right? You're alive. So, all right. Give me build perms. Oh yeah, right. You can build. Wait, you do have build perms. Yeah, you got the perms, Panda, so you should be able to build, right? Or not? No. Oh god, no. Well, add that to the list of bugs we have to fix today. Oh, god damn it. All right. Why is that? Okay, everyone stop build. Yeah, requesting to play. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is place. Yeah. What? Not play. Oh, no perms, my ass. What is that? Come on. Also, I guess now that we're all here, we can actually do the thing that we're building, the fashion show. Oh, but then again, we got two to choose from. Twig built one over there, and then we got one here. Which one which one should we use? Let's just go back here. Which one? Which one do you want to go? Any preferences? Also, I like how Poztaz is spinning, and he's kind of cancelled out the effect of his spinning hat. Man, I do not say this often, but holy, your stuff gives me inspiration. Thanks for this. I will even grind. I grind even harder now. Good to hear. I don't normally get compliments. Normally, it's just roasting. But thanks. Yeah. Cheers. It's taken a little bit. This is like 2 years worth of work. I've gone through at least 4. I think this is the fourth iteration that we're on now. I call them seasons just to distinguish them, but it's like yeah, it's 2 years of just collective work pretty much, just over different various. Like most game devs, you get bored about halfway through and then just want to start a new project. Although my New Year's resolution for this year is just to stick with this setup, this hotel setup. It's got lots of cool stuff. We've got AI. Hey Nova, say hi. Ah, okay. That's my AI. She keeps me company in this desolate wasteland of endless rooms. And you ever heard the song Hotel California? That's basically the summary of this stream. So don't listen to him. I ghost developed everything. Yeah, okay. Like, I had a little bit of help along the way. I did a lot of these because those ears I made those in Blender. I actually made those, so I did contribute some cosmetics. But then yeah, people like Panda and stuff made the rest, or at least a few of them. But yeah. Oh, is Dharma trying to take? It was aimed towards me, right? Yeah, ignore Dharma. He plugs his channel every 2 seconds. I don't even know why he doesn't stream. So yeah, just ignore Dharma. Okay, guys, what you building? I'm rapidly losing track. Someone's building a house. Someone's building the void. I think Twig's gone back over there. What are you making? Are you still making the fashion show? Or? Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. By the way, Twig, if you didn't know, and if you haven't done already, there's a set home command. So, like Minecraft, you can just teleport back to there if you need to. Doesn't stream. He streams sometimes. Well, okay, technically speaking, yes, he does stream every now and then, but not enough to warrant advertisement on my channel. I don't. Why do I even allow it? I'm too lenient. I'm just a pushover. Yeah. So anyway, who wants to do a fashion show? I think we're ready. You guys ready? Oh, and also one of them hacked my game, so that's why he's flying around. So didn't take long. What are you doing up there? Wait, have you built? How did you get up here? I can't join. Sad. Press F12 and send it in the Discord, and it should give me an idea of what's breaking. But yeah, who's ready? And anyone? No, anyone even around? Is everyone just up building? Okay, how do you keep getting up? Are you hacking as well? He is, isn't he? Oh, you bitch! You built inside of me. I can't see inside of me. Oh, you son of a. All right. Okay. That's it. That's it, Leaf. Your build privileges have been revoked. God damn it. Now I have to get rid of this. Jesus. Okay, let me just get rid of this pillar before we start. Oh, God. How did you build all this? And I didn't even notice. I don't... Look at my back. Oh, God. It's coming out of me. Oh, God. Advertisement out here. Yeah. Yeah. Well, kind of. Not the bad kind. Not the GFX artist promoting in every channel they come across. But I don't mind people that seem cool promoting. That's why I don't like Dharma promote. Oh, that's why I don't let him. Least cool viewer. Okay, let's just get rid of all this. Ugh, so much stuff. Anyway, all right, we need to start this fashion show. All right, so everybody, front and center. We're just going to be using Leaf's one because I would use Twigsters, but it's too far away, and yeah, you can't hear my voice that far away. We'll use that for a future stream when I can figure out how to move my character around. But right now, I'm kind of stapled to the desk. So everyone, front and center, right here. We still need to think of a theme, though. Anyone know a theme? I come here seconds. Yeah, well, you seem cool enough. You know, I can tell usually by the username. You got solid. What was it camel case? No, Pascal case. You know, capital letters where they're needed. Good English. It's a good indicator. I press F12. What do you want me to do? Send a screenshot of that. It should tell you why you're not able to connect. All right, Leaf, if you could just take 2 steps back, please. That'd be lovely. Leaf, okay. Leaf. Oh, and mods also shout out Merlin. Shit, I always forget this. I forget shouting out as a thing. Mods, you know what to do. All right, fashion showtime, baby. All right, just keep developing this one, just because I think this is the only one we're going to be able to use for today. You might want to like block off or like add like sides here, so we people have like changing room area, you know. They can like walk in. How do I screenshot again? Facepalm. All right. It's the thing that says print screen. Assuming you have that sort of keyboard. Yeah, slash shout out, I think. Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh, God damn it. I forgot every time I press that, it resets my camera. All right. Let's just go down it. Let's have a look. Yeah, just expand this a little bit so we have some bytes are too wide. 2 by 2. Chunky little boys. And we'll get this started. Although I need to find some while you guys build that, I'm gonna find some like Runway music. Not really sure where that. Hey, you did it. Nice. Oh, and actually, you should be added to the raid list now, which is sick. Whenever I get raided, it automatically adds people to this like list. And yeah, basically at the end of stream, I make it so like the bot goes through and like finds people that are live on the list automatically, so it saves me having to like search. You know, I probably explained this absolutely terribly. What was I doing? Runway, run. No, catwalk. That's the word. Catwalk. Uh, is this catwalk? That's an album. Catwalk music. Okay. Yeah, that one will do. Let's stick with that. All right, you guys ready? I'm ready. Actually, I'll just leave it playing. Just getting the vibe, you know. Set the scene a bit. Unfortunately, we don't have any lights. Something else I need to add. Should build a skyscraper. Oh, for the love of God, please no. It's hard enough for people to connect as is. Okay, okay. Leaf, you're just demonstrating. We need some walls though. We need some walls like here. Oh wait, no, here. Yeah, Leaf, help other Leaf. Help better Leaf. Leaf 2. And make sure to come in as much as I can, and hopefully I can return a favor. Let's go. Yeah, one of my sort of one of my 2024 goals was to make more streamer friends. Last year, I was able to make 2 streamer friends. Wait, yeah, two whole streamer friends. But this year, I'd ideally like to sort of branch out a bit more because I'm not great at making friends. I'll be honest. So I'm gonna make a concerted effort this time to actually try and make some streamer friends in the same industry. But yeah, hopefully, you never know. Never know. I think that's enough seat. I don't think we have that many people to sit down here. You have me. That's +1. Okay, but that doesn't count. It's for this year only. I've known you since I don't even know how long it's been. Too long. Raid Elko on Q. I'm telling you. I think he's on my list. I just don't know if his schedule lines up with mine. Because I only stream on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so it'd have to be people that stream Wednesdays and Saturdays around. Well, when do I end? About 8 p.m. GMT, 8 to 9. That's the sort of people I can raid because normally they're just not online and stuff like that. What is it, Twig? What do you want? Hmm? Can I get build perms? Wait, you lost them? How do people keep losing? Oh yeah, I turned them off because you kept building a pillar up my asshole. Fine, there you go. Schedules might not align. Yeah, that's the only issue with US streamers. What is it, buddy? What is it? Hmm? You got something to say? No? Okay. There you go. You want a cigarette? I can get you a cigarette. Do you want a cigarette? Hmm? I think is that no? No? Okay, no cigarette then. Alright. And he's gone. Alright. Well. I offered. That's the first time he's ever declined a dart. I'll be honest. Wait. Okay, okay. It's looking good now. It's looking good now. Why does it take so long to load again? Because I'm bad at programming. I didn't really test the rate because I didn't have like a world built. You know, all these blocks weren't here during testing. So I couldn't really like test how long it would take to load the map. But now that I have like all these blocks to load, I can test it a bit better. I just didn't want to crash my internet by sending all this data too much, you know. It still didn't load the stairs. Okay, yeah, there's going to be a few bugs. I didn't know you were offering a smoky. So is that a yes then? I mean, I got one if you want it. I know you love them. These fucking big liars. I swear to God. This has a 1 in 4 chance of lying. How does that even happen? All right. You want that? All right. Come on, buddy. There you go. Breathe it in. All right, good boy, good boy. Don't exhale. You're not allowed to exhale. Using VR tracking gear. Currently, I'm just using the Oculus Quest 2 because I'm broke and can't afford anything better, aka Oculus Quest 3. But I used to have full body tracking back in season 2. Currently in season 3, but I used to have like well, I still do. I have base stations up there and there with all the Vive trackers stuff. My electrical engineer heart is gonna explode. This is amazing. I mean, it's not bad. I pat myself on the back a little bit. We also have guns, just in case they misbehave. But yeah, I used to do full body tracking, but I don't know, something about I once I had the full body tracking, I then didn't have the headset, and something about picking people up and chucking them, and just interacting with the hands and seeing things in front of you was just so much better. So I kind of got rid of the full body tracking. Um, I could maybe bring that back one day because I mean that was a lot of money. Well, you want a bell? There you go. Okay, only in death did I realize the Among Us behind me. God damn it. How did I miss that? And the troll face. All right. God damn it. Yeah, that's the bell from Lethal Company right there. So don't touch that. Currently I pressed it 160 times. God damn. But yeah, fucking where did this come from? Dart, anyone? I don't know why I'm calling it a dart. It's the Australian viewers. They keep calling it a dart, and now I'm calling it a dart. All right, who is it? Who's building this? Oh, they've disappeared. They've legged it. Oh, and that's what I used to look like in season 2. I used to be a yellow man. The gun stayed. Oh, this is a tune. Now, oh, shit. Now I just want to play GTA. You ain't got no money. Take your broke ass home. All right, how's it going down here? Well, you built a wall. Good job. All right, you guys ready? Everyone on scene. You might need to make a door somewhere, but so you know what? I'm gonna give Merlin the what's the word? The honor of choosing the theme for this out of the way, out of the way. Choosing the theme for this fashion show. It could be any theme at all. Sort of, I don't know, Halloween, medieval. We have a lot of cosmetics. Very simple, simplistic. Is that the theme, or is that just a question? I took the screenshot of the code. Where would you like to put it in the Discord? Put it in suggestions or maybe development. One of the two. Wait a sec. I shall wait. I give up. It won't let me go in. I'm going to stream. Bye, people. Bye, stream. Oh, stream. Opal. Bye, Opal. All right, you guys ready? We need to assemble everyone. So, Mango, you're going to have to try and get everyone here. I feel like we're missing a few people. The true meaning of my name, Merlin equals Little Falcon. The theme of this stream should be spread your wings. Oh, that's great because we have so many wings. So many wing cosmetics. All right, where is everyone? Wait, who's even in this game? Leaf, Twigster, Mango. 1, 2, 3. There's 7 of us. Where the fuck are they? Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So we're missing 2. Where are the other 2? What are they building? And where? God, I need to find a thing that lets me track people down. Not around here. Not over there. What about? Oh, wait. Yeah, there's 2 dark. Oh, Dharma, are you still loading? Oh, they're still loading. Yeah, that's the loading bug. All right, well, you guys are screwed then. All right, let's just go down here. All right, everybody behind scenes, behind scenes. Go get changed. You know the theme. The theme is spread your wings. So go behind the scenes, and I'm going to show off the new rating feature that we have now. Which, if I just bring it up, so if I press this, boom, that should start a little rating. So if you guys type a number in chat now, just as a demonstration, it should theoretically show how you guys vote. There you go. There is no 0. It's from 1 to 10 just because 0 felt a bit mean. That is literally worthless, and nobody's worthless. So but there you go, and it averages out to 0.3. I think that does not average. Okay, I think that's meant to be 4. I think I. Okay, that average might be a little off. Just multiply by 10. It's still averaging, just not technically correct, but the average is still pretty much the same. So like 0.6. Let's just say that's 6 then. My maths just ain't great. Yeah, I'll give you guys a few minutes to get your costumes on, and then we'll begin. Is it left to right or right to left? I'll leave it up to you guys. But yeah, you have 5 minutes. I need to add a timer as well. Yeah, 5 minutes to make your outfits. Actually, in the meantime, I'll just be up here doing my own thing. So anyway, how are you boys doing? So we get so wrapped up with features and stuff that yeah. What's the theme? The theme is spread your wings. So when you're voting for these things, boys, remember the theme is vote. The theme is spread your wings. So vote according to that theme. How well it represents the theme. How's my game not loaded yet? Yeah, I know. Rip. Sorry. It's a little scuffed. I know. We'll fix it between streams, but yeah, these two guys are still loading, which rip. Poor guys. I'd like to be on the bleachers. Can I do that? I think I can kind of. Well, let's see. I'll see if I can get you close. All right. I'll just put you in the general vicinity. Whether or not you just landed on that, I don't know. But there you go. Oh yeah. Also, telekinesis. Another thing I can do. Honestly, I genuinely. Oh, and we also got a printer. How did I not notice this? From Blip. He sent in a picture of their kids. Cute. Blip to 17. Very nice. Wait, what the fuck is this? You guys, what game is this? Roblox or something? It looks like Roblox. You recreated me in Roblox. How did I not notice this? Very nice though. Yeah, damn. Not bad. Not bad. We did that last night. Oh, that's cute. But yeah, if you didn't know, Little Big Planet 1 is my favorite game of all time. Hence that. Oh, he's so pretty. And myself. Both of that's just. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. My mods and my favorite things. Myself and Little Big Planet. So, all right, you guys have 2 more minutes until showtime. Yeah, I can't dance. I can't even move my feet. I'm super glued to the seat, so it's the price you pay when you code every day. You just become one with the chair, you know. Anyway, thank you for those, I guess. What was I doing? Right. Oh, also, actually, that reminds me. I need to talk. I'm going to be redoing D&D again. Just that reminded me. We're going to be redoing D&D again. We did it one time, and how D&D works. It's like chat votes for like options of what they want to do, and then I just sort of like tell them what happens in response. But we're going to be doing that again. You know. So the first time it was using AI. That didn't work because the AI is just a bit boring. Next time it was way too complicated. Way too complicated. You know. I use it as my entertainment while I cook myself dinner. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Have you been doing homework? Oh, no. So yeah, the issue with the D&D that we currently have is that it's just a bit too complicated. With because it's too similar. Like I was trying to make D&D, I was trying to replicate. I don't think that kind of really works because it takes far too long to get suggestions and then far too long to vote on them and then far too long to set up scenes and stuff. So I'm going to be dumbing it right down. It'll be a kind of thing where it's like, well, it's just like telling a story more than playing a game. I'll just tell you what happens. So instead of like maybe there'll be some dice rolls because I love this dice. It's beautiful. But like yeah, I'm just gonna just dumb it all the way down, and just sort of like make up. So if you say I don't know, I swing for a giant, I'll just be like, okay, yeah, you swing for him, but because he's a giant and fucking massive, he just swings at you. You take 1 damage. If you do something dumb, something bad will happen instead of like checking position, checking stats, all this stuff. It'll just be more like telling a story. And I'll be lenient, I'll be a good storyteller. That you get away with murder occasionally, but yeah, it's going to be less like D&D now because I think that's just for the best. But the game doesn't work for me. Right. So have you verified? So to basically stop people like joining with like bad names, firstly, and second, just so I know who people are and you're not changing name every sort of game, and also because there's going to be a sort of save system. You have to create a password. Just big note: do not use a password you use for other things. I can see your passwords, so make sure there's something. Make it a password for like just not something you use. It's just to keep your stuff safe. On my end. So and hacking reasons and stuff. Yeah. There's a verification system, which when you're typing your username and password, it should you have to whisper the bot with the exclamation mark password. So 20-digit long code for my password accidentally. Well, that's the good thing. You can just easily just use the command again. Made a password and used my Twitch name. Oh, so you did. So you sent it to the bot and everything. And if you need the code, it should be pinned. Wait, is it? Oh, it's not pinned. Well, I pinned that permanently. I pinned that for the whole stream. God damn it. The bot's name is Bot Destrees. Okay, let's just pin the thing again. I don't know why it disappeared. Pin manually. Right? There you go. All right, cool. Stay. Right, there we go. Yeah, anyway, I don't know why. It should stay for the whole stream. Oh, god damn it, Panda. Well, Panda's massive now. All right, I think that's enough time for the fashion show. I think we're ready. Well, okay. So now there is a slight issue. It might take forever to load the map because there's a lot of blocks now, and I might have set the rate that it loads a bit slow. So you might have to wait a while. I'll be fixing that next stream. Panda, what are you doing? He's actually flying. Anyway, let's go down. Let's just do this thing. Okay, are you building a roof? No, it doesn't need a roof. That's gonna be so grey. Nah, no roof, no roof. It's quite nice to have an open ceiling design, Oh look, Tony kind of made it. There you go. So yeah, but that loading error should be fixed for next stream. This is just the first stream. Well, technically second stream, but it broke. Well, last stream it broke even harder. Long story short, last stream I added this block system, but I ended up blue screening my viewer's PC, which my bad. I'll be honest. I made a collider for my player that I completely forgot about. That generates a collider like mesh every 70 times a second, once every frame. Only issue is it wasn't then destroying the mesh of the previous one. So it was just infinitely generating meshes until your RAM filled up, and then your computer just crashed. So yeah, my bad, but that's gone now. But no, obviously other problems. But we'll be able to test it now that I have some like data. I can test with a larger thing. Because before I was testing on an empty scene with no blocks really, and it synced pretty quickly. But then yeah, I did not expect this many blocks. Doesn't respond. It just sets, and you're good. Wait, what happened? I'm whispering to the bot. It does. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't say anything. The bot is mute. I don't actually think the bot is allowed to, unless you get like you have to verify it or something, and then it can actually send messages. Because otherwise, it could like spam people with the whispers. Anyway, I think we're ready. All right, let's get a proper tune. No. No. There we go. All right, everyone's ready. All right, everybody that's participating in this, get ready. I can already see the wings clipping through the through the wall. Probably not important, but I'm making noodles with bacon, roasted spinach, and a shit ton of cheese. Well, you can't not have a shit ton of cheese. Honestly, my entire diet uni was like just melted cheese on everything. Mostly pesto pasta. I've never had noodles with bacon. Oh fuck yeah, got got something new to try. Let's go. I love like I hate meals that take a while to make. Anything that's under 20 minutes is like my jam. Um, and noodles are pretty quick, so I'm gonna give that a go now. Thanks for the idea. All right, so you guys ready? You sorted? Oh, you got to make some for the rest of us as well. Got to share with the class. Rating. So who's first? Anybody have an order? Anyone want to volunteer for first? You just got to sort the order out amongst yourselves. Hey, good cheese. Welcome. You get room 87. Not that you can see it, but there you go. Enjoy your stay. Dharma, you're not even in the game. What? You're still loading, Dharma. Anyone? No? Okay. Well, no volunteers, so I guess I'll just pick someone from the list, I guess. So who's playing? Actually, wait, I can check. I can see them all. Oh wait, is that someone already? Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, fine. All right. No, that's fine. There you go. No, stay at the end. Stay at the end. Come, stay here. At the tip. At least during the voting period. So you come out, you take a right or left. Or is that right? You take something, you turn, and then you walk. Yep, walk to the end. Yep, there you go. Yep, do a pose or whatever. And then I start the rating. There you go. All right, Leaf Pool, our first contestant, with what looks like Green Angel. Beautiful. Yeah, work it. 1 hour later. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. So yeah, what are your votes? 1 to 10, and I guess we'll just average. Okay, yeah, this is not averaging out very well, so there was no way that averaged out to like 0.2. So I have no idea what's going on there. All right, what are we saying? Sort of between 8, well, the range 5 to 10, let's say. Most of the 8s to 10s, so 8, 9, and 10. I think it's a solid 9. Oh, no, 7. All right, so 8.5 is that? Roughly? This is a little scuffed. I wish my average was working. But we'll say that's about a solid 8.5, because that's in the middle, right? 8.5. All right. I should probably make a note of this somewhere. Notepad. Or maybe we can just remember. All right, so what was that? Leaf pool. 8.5. Close enough. All right, thank you, Leaf pool. Good job. Who's next? Anyone at all. You can just organize amongst yourselves. Oh, there we go. It's Twigster. Oh, look at that. The Angel of Death. Very nice, very nice. Remember, spread your wings is the theme. What do you think, boys? What do you think? Not a single block of the stage is loaded. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Oh, a one from Merlin. Harsh. Very nice. Should I be voting? No, I won't vote. I'll stay neutral. Oof, oof. Cut a couple ones. Oof. My HDR monitor can't really see any details. I see. Is it too dark? I see. A black blob. Fair enough. He walked away. All right. So that seems roughly average to 7. So good job, Twig. Good job. Uh, whoever's next. 7. You need light blocks. True. I actually do have a torch. I don't think I'll be able to reach over that way. Oh, here we go. Oh, very nice. All right, he's going for a sort of doctor look. Cool. Also, remember, guys, if you press tab, you can see what the stream sees in game. So you have a seat now. Look behind you. Oh my God, what have you done? Oh dear God. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. Oh wait, did I reset the thing? Wait, I didn't reset the thing. One sec. Now go. Sorry, I'm not on top of it, boys. I'm a mess. Okay, yeah, you can go again now. Although thinking about it, if unique chat's on, you're probably not going to be able to say the same thing you did last time. Oops. All right, mostly sevens. By the way, feel free to like describe what your thing is, if it needs any explanation. What was that? All right, so it seems most people are saying 7. All right, solid 7. So that means Leafpool's currently in the lead at the moment. Got Leaf 7. Very nice. All right, is there anyone else? I actually have no idea how many people there are doing this. Was this Womanizer? Oh yes. Tune. Na na na. Better. It's not loading for me. Rip. Wait, is there anyone even left? Let's just have a. Oh, there's no one left. Well, there you go. Wait, is Panda, you coming down here? You gonna join us? I saw you had wings. Come on, it's Womanizer. Yeah, he's up there above us somewhere. There he is. All right, fine. He's probably AFK, and it's like 4 in the morning for him, so he's probably actually passed out. But how do you vote, Panda? I'm still in the blue. Damn it. Yeah, I really got to fix that. But oh, he's legging it. Where you going? Where you go? You're on the spot. I hope you clean that mess up, Leaf. I am the Ender Dragon. I see it. Wait, are you guys using in-game chat, by the way? Just out of curiosity, or am I just not seeing those messages anymore? All right. Well, Panda got. I'd say it's more towards an 8 than a 9, so 8.2 or something. Panda, even though he wasn't really participating, I think has done pretty well. We've been using in-game chat. Oh shit! I can't see in-game chat. Damn it. Well, yeah, your chat should be showing up here in blue. It's not though. Bugger. Okay, Leaf, if you could like not. I'm gonna have to clean up so much stuff. See, this is why you're lagging, because of those fucking towers. Anyway. Yeah. I need to. Oh god, so many bugs. I will clean up. You better, Mister. Anyway. Everything was loaded for me but the stage. Yeah. Yeah, I'll fix those bugs for next stream. But anyway, there you go. Sorted. We did a nice little fashion show. In first place, we had. Wait, who was it? I can't read this. In first place, with 8.5, we got Leaf Pool. Second place, Panda with 8.2. Third place, actually, it's tied third place. Twigster and Dr. Leaf. There aren't any prizes at the moment because I haven't really. I still need to set up a proper official, yeah, what fashion show sort of system. One that actually saves. I'm not sure if I should save it to the leaderboard. Because that might be a little unfair. Teams would just vote for other team, or factions would vote for the same faction. And if there's factions, if you're wondering what those prefixes are on the names, everyone has a faction they can join, and points they earn in minigames go towards the faction. And TRAF is actually like the largest goddamn faction. I think they have like 8 members. Every other faction just has 1 member, aka the person that founded it. TRAF has goddamn 8 people in it, which stands for the rebellion against Finn, the resistance against Finn, something like that. Squircle, you get room 88. Welcome. And McTartan, you get room 89. Enjoy your stay. Gonna resync myself by rejoining, so accept me. I will try. I see new people are joining. I wouldn't recommend joining this stream because it's gonna just take. Oh well, if it even does load. Oh, actually no. You know what we can do. For you guys joining, if we go over to the green screen, let's go over this way. TRAF on top. Okay, bro. Wait, why is that? Okay, it's fine. All right. You guys managed to load last time that we were in this scene, so maybe it will work this time. Who knows? Let's see if I can fix you guys. I can fix them. I swear. Okay, let's sync. Oh, no, there goes Panda. Turn that on. All right. Let's see if they come back at some point. Hopefully this makes them load. If not, then Sag. I believe you. I like your blue and white. Not gonna lie. Is it possible for you to clear all the blocks? Well, even if it was, I wouldn't really want to. I don't actually think it is possible. Oh shit! Wait, can we just see all the blocks? Oh, this is kind of cool. Yeah, you can see all the blocks when the scene's disabled. Nice. Look at that mess. What is that? Ugh. This place is gonna look like 2B2T before long. Jesus. But oh, and I'm still green screening. But yeah. So nobody's building. Except me? Never. I mean, I still don't know if it'll work. You guys managed to load somehow before, but yeah, don't look like they're coming in. Well, can I say I didn't try? All right, back over to the other scene. Yeah, I think it's time to wrap up today because I've got a lot of work to do with all those goddamn bugs. But at least it's kind of working for some people. Like Twig's been here the whole time. So yeah, got to figure out why it's crashing when you try to upload textures, because you should be able to upload more than just colors. There'll be texture blocks as well that uses like a URL. The stage loaded. Why did it load now? Oh, none of this makes any sense. Oh, I don't know, dude. This is just confusing. I'm just baffled. My PC is not liking this. No. This isn't for the faint of heart / faint of PC. Are you building a bridge to the Among Us? Okay. Well, have fun doing that, I guess. How's your computer handling this though? That's a good point. because I'm running this with an Oculus headset. It's got the power of an Android phone, but it's kind of based on my computer. But like, I know that the Android or the Android aspect of it does have an impact on the frame rate at least. Because right now I'm like 60, drops to 30 sometimes for a few seconds. But then when I turn the headset off, it's just solid 72 or whatever it is. What's 144? No. Or whatever the refresh rate in my thing is. Oh, and his rating's still on. God damn it. Hmm. There we go. Yeah, I gotta remember to get rid of that. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mine sounds worse than I actually copy code in Unreal Engine 5. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's probably because of the blocks. Wait. Hmm. Yeah, this. To be fair, there's no shadows, so it shouldn't be lagging too bad. But yeah, this isn't a very well optimized thing. It's not like Minecraft where they're all in like one chunk and one mesh. They're all individual blocks because I didn't have the time to learn that whole system. It's coming. There'll be an optimization for displaying the blocks, but for now, yeah, just individual blocks. Which yeah, not great. Not great. Look at my printed picture. Is this meant to be you? Is that who this is? Um, what am I meant to do with this? Doesn't want me in for some reason. Who knows? Who knows? Wow, look at that. Dharma made Merlin some promotional material, and couldn't help but shout himself out either in the bottom of it. But it's the thought that counts, right? Fucking dumb. I am done. I need to finish the documentary on Alexander the Great. I see. Make sure to catch you another time. Have a great evening. Thanks for coming by, Merlin. To be fair, I'm probably going to wrap up stream now too. I need to eat. I'm fucking starving. But yeah. Let's see. Do I do? Oppa. Ah. Okay, so the target is Arestia again, but then we raided Arestia recently, and I don't want to seem overly No, we got you got to have a cooldown between raids, so I guess no raiding today. You can raid me. Yeah, I'm good, Dharma. I'm good. But yeah, sorry, Leaf. No cutscene today. Yeah, you can't raid like a person again and again. It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bit weird. I got robbed of 2K. Oh, what did you submit a link or something? And it didn't work. Yeah. Oh, they actually built a. Oh. I mean, it's the most disgusting bridge I've ever seen, but like, not bad. At least they have it. I have my own green screen. Oh god, did you? Oh, he did. He made a green screen. I mean, it's not the best green screen, but I think it's the what's it, ambient occlusion. Yeah. Well, just you know what? Mango can just be streamer. There you go. Boom. That's all you need. Raid Fortnite. What, the official Fortnite account? Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. But I can do I can do the cutscene. You guys still want to do the cutscene? Even if we're not going to raid her, I can still do the cutscene. Raid me? I'm not raiding you, Dharma. I'll start a stream. All right. They want the cutscene. They'll get the cutscene. That's not the right one. There we go. All right. So this is normally what happens whenever we try and find someone to raid. We go through. Oh, music just ain't pausing. Good shit. Good shit. All right. Yeah, this is what happens, boys. This is how we find our targets to raid. Um, Leaf always likes this, so I do it just for him. But yeah, I wonder who we could raid. Shindigs, Jams, Glowy. Can't remember his name. Can't remember his name. Riku. There's Dharma offline. Stardust. Mokimu. Shindigs again. Jams again. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then there's Arestia. Oh, fuck you too. Well, you're not. Look, it said you're offline, so I don't know what to say, bro. It says you're offline. So, I guess you're not live. Ah, this such a shame as well. I was gonna raid you as well, but you know, computer says no. So I love it. Thank you very much. Thank you. I need to add more stuff like that. I still not sure what to add, but I want to add more cutscene stuff. So other than like the raid, or when I am raided and when I raid people, but what other sort of like scenarios would there be a cutscene? You know, I can't really think of many other Twitch things, but I could find something to do, something else to parody. But behind me, yeah, is the plane. It's my watermark. All right, you guys want to end stream? It seems like they want me to end stream. So anywho, thank you all guys for coming. Yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday, normal time probably. And we'll be doing. Well, I've got a few plans. I've got a few plans. I'll get the game fixed so you guys can actually join and not spend forever loading. Um, and yeah, I have a few game. I think a mini game planned and maybe. Well, I won't spoil any of it, but yeah, it's gonna. Okay, stop trying to. Okay, everyone just calm down. All right, just calm down. Oh, I need to fix network chat just while I remember. Feedback network chat not working. Just while I remember. But anyway, thank you all for coming. See you on Wednesday. Bye bye for now. Let's go. End of stream. Bye everybody. Oh, I'm on fire. Oh dear. How'd that happen? Oh dear God. Everybody scram. It's all burning down. Oh dear God. Someone to put me out of my misery. Just kill me. Put me down already. Oh my God. Okay, get out of here. What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's so much fire. It's so much